going? Where are you going? Martha was going. Baby. The squeaky. Okay. First kid ba?
Wala na sana.
I'm vlogging, that's why.
Sana nakalimutan sana.
Look at my beautiful grandma.
Beautiful. Thank you. Sure ka, Ina?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about you? Yeah, you're also beautiful.
Kami also beautiful. Beautiful mama. Si Papa beautiful.
Handsome.
Ilan sila alas sa labas. Mga Pilipino, hindi ko sinasabi. Kasi pag sinabi nyo kay namin,
Steven, you're so
tatrabaho
Sigma.
din naman sila
Thank you.
first child. Sila Kuya Roy.
Okay guys, we're going.
Kuya, ano na sabihin sa mga Indonesia? Saka mga...
So we're gonna, like, we're out of this town. I don't know why. Look at my skin. Look.
May mga
Very
Indonesia sila
good.
eh.
I don't. And it looks like a lizard skin.
Sian, give me the pillow.
It looks so like it looks like a lizard skin. Looks like a lizard skin. Yeah. But alcohol to clean up na. Because alcohol is a liquid. It's actually like wet. So you make it wet. Wait, when you scratch, it becomes a bit better. Yeah. Mama, what time did Zaki come in the hotel?
Maybe 2 o'clock. Because Papa Anwar goes sabi na.
Huh?
Si Papa Anwar need to send someone 1 o'clock.
Oh. Mama, can you do this?
Ay, listen to Mama, Papa, and Lola, ha? Si Yan, the alcohol you take out in the ano? Ay, later.
But Mama, when I bring that one, the alcohol dripping in the
Maybe not
bottle.
close too much ba? Close properly.
Pretty close property ba?
Wait, dripping.
I don't know.
Or,
Before ba?
palo eh.
What happened?
Almost ka na.
Almost what? Almost crash?
Yeah.
Oh. Here we go. I'm so excited. maybe Mama will eat have charger. Maybe.
Later, if we eat first in hotel, ha?
Where?
We bring foods, right?
Yeah.
We eat first,
Opo.
then sleep, and then go home. Sleep first before you go to swimming pool, okay? If Mama said and Papa said enough swimming pool, enough, okay?
Okay.
Kuya Sian always listen. Si Ina, crying. Listen ha, Ina?
Okay, I'm a big girl now.
Yeah, big girl na, listen. Very good.
I wish wait, I think the hotel there have free charger. I don't know. Yeah, they have. Yeah. So I'm using Papo.
I said, Sian, your charger.
I say to Kuya. And then after that, I remember ba?
Ganda lang.
Later we check if there's free charger.
I said like here. Sian, your charger. Yeah, always focus in cellphone. It's okay na, at least not cellphone in with us. Yes.
No.
If
I want to see
bakit?
Mama Jane, can you take the charger?
Hindi, magpahatid ka lang sa taas.
Mama Jane! Mama Jane!
O, hindi doon. Nadala
Wait.
pa pa kami. Hindi pa naman. I-message kita kung anong room.
Mama,
Sige, kasunduin kita.
Mama.
Magpadrop ka lang sa taas.
Mama!
Ah.
Mama!
Ay, oo nga. Oh, sige. So,
Mama.
maganda ako pag ano.
Mama! Ask Mama
Nasa
Jane
Paris
bring...
na ba kaya? Ah, sige. Kami na. Wala pa. Malapit pa lang kami.
Where is it? He go away? Yeah, maybe. Where's his body?
Dinadrop lang.
I don't know, maybe
Ate,
he's in the
isusunod
room.
mo kapag ano. May maleta nga pala yun.
Mama, I ask Mama. Bring big bring what charger you need? Oh, your new charger, the one my charger's home. Yeah, but how come she can get? In Mama room lah. Small or the one in Mama room doesn't.
Mama Jane don't have kids. I double lock the door. It's okay na. You swimming only in it. Swim. Eat. We go down. We go.
Yeah.
Relax. Relax your eyes also.
We're almost here, guys. And then Ina, you saw that sapat ba? Yeah, but Ina, you saw that sapat? See, but do you see this here? And not cell phone. This one is from TV. I watch always. This one, the black one, is from actually when you wake up in the morning, like I'm feeling on up here. Okay. Yeah, I can see you a bit. Actually, you have a bit ba? When I look over here, it's black.
So, tayo
Okay,
sa pili lahat to. Natin. Hindi kaya nasakyan siguro. Si Anwar hindi na rin yan makakasama. Kasi kailangan ng visa ni Anwar eh. Hindi na nga papasama sa mga
Do not find me, huh?
gagala tayo lahat daw next year.
He's
Sa akin,
almost
diba?
here. Almost here na, Mama. Yes.
Kailangan sasakyan natin ay lorry. Sa likod kayo lahat.
Do you see Times Hotel? Times Hotel. You gonna go up there?
Binubuksan kami ni customer eh. Amsara.
Okay, guys. I don't know. Let's see.
Mapasok.
Oh my gosh. There's a lot of stuff here. Gosh. When you last time, maybe something like last time,
we buy drinks. Because with our food, no drinks.
Mama, can we go to Jollibee and order?
I know. We have foods nga, di ba?
I know. I mean the drinks in Jollibee ba?
What Jollibee drinks? Coke.
Yeah, go float. I just rather water.
Tonight, we go restaurant. Which restaurant?
Burr. No. Why you tip? Ning. No. Roti. McDonald's. What's
No,
McDonald's? You don't like McDonald's? You remove the...
Doon na, McDonald's yun.
Next to airport mall, ma.
Oh, yun nga.
Zeus. Mama, Zeus coffee have coffee. Mama, Mama here have what TikTok account?
Aha.
Yeah. I saw the worker dancing outside.
Later, I go there and Papa drink coffee. Ken?
Yeah.
Papabalanja mo ako.
Mama, why child doesn't allow to drink like coffee? Coffee, yeah. Mama.
Come short because you cannot absorb using.
When I last time drink the coffee last time? He's back. Which one? Papa need to open. He's back. Which one? The insect. Ow! Ina! Let me.
Sige, mag-fighting kayo ha. I will tell the hotel, we not go na.
No.
Why you crying? Why?
I don't.
Stop. Don't play. Put your headband. Put your headband. Pababa na lang ako din. Para ma-assist ko. Tayo ko kayo sa taas. Sasabihin ko sa guard. Kay Muis! Parking tayo. May customer ko kami dyan eh. Nagpapagawa. Sa baba na ka? Ha?
I want to. Don't be my ear the close.
Yan, alcohol. Pastor! Ayan! Siyan, that when you're sleeper, my God! Diba, small already that one? But sure, that blue one. Siya naman ah. Look,